How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I'm going to show you guys how you can get yourself a Canadian IP address. Now, of course, you're going to use a VPN for that, especially if you're trying to unblock some sort of geo-restricted Canada-only streaming service or website. You're going to need a reliable VPN for that task so that it can reliably bypass the powerful geo restrictions imposed by, let's say, Netflix, if you're trying to access Canadian Netflix, or any other Canada-based streaming service such as The Zone. I know The Zone has a lot of content that is exclusive to Canada. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Before we begin, if you guys are interested in any of the VPNs mentioned today, and I have 3 for you guys here, just in case you're looking for different options, you know, something that's a bit cheaper, or maybe something faster, maybe something that secures more devices. We have everything here covered. So I'll get into that in a little bit. And very briefly, if you guys are interested in learning more about these VPNs with regards to their privacy policy, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, you'll find links to full reviews in the description down below, as well as links to pricing and discounts if you'd like to take advantage of those while they last. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Now, it's as simple as going to, for example, on NordVPN, you can just hover over Canada and click. For Surfshark, you can just look up Canada, and you have these 3 locations here. Or with ExpressVPN, I'm just showing you guys, by the way, how you can get yourself a Canadian IP address. It's as simple as that. Okay, let's go to Americas. We have Canada here, a bunch of locations. Let's just hit Vancouver and connect to Vancouver. Earlier, I was connected to a UK server with ExpressVPN. That's why it shows them in the UK. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh my IP finder and see what happens here. Let's see. It should show that I am in Canada now, and there we go. Now, as far as my network or ISP is concerned, I am in Vancouver, Canada. So that is how you can get yourself a Canadian IP address. Let's just go ahead and turn that off and figure out which one could be the best choice for you right here. So ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, and you'll be able to secure up to 5 devices per subscription. And of course, you have the basic security features, which you might want to learn a little bit more about before getting any of these VPNs. But ExpressVPN is very compatible, very easy to use, very plug and play kind of VPN. Not many features besides a handful of protocols, which you want to stick to lightweight UDP if you want the fastest, or automatic if you just never want to mess with protocols again. The kill switch is the first feature you want to watch out for, or at least learn a little bit more about the functionality of the kill switch, which will stop your internet traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. And this will make sure that you're only going to be connected to the internet when you're secured by the VPN tunnel. Otherwise, it will sever your internet connection. With split tunneling, you'll be able to choose which applications are routed through the VPN and which are not. So let's say you're trying to unblock some kind of Canadian streaming service, or maybe Netflix Canada, and you're using Google Chrome for that, or maybe the Netflix application. You can select it, but let's say for the sake of the example, are you using Google Chrome? We're going to select Google Chrome, and once you turn on the VPN, only Google Chrome will be using the VPN, while the rest of your connection is left untouched by the VPN tunnel or outside the VPN tunnel, and vice versa, of course, where you can have all of your connection secured by the VPN except for selected applications. So this is a very useful feature, and all premium VPNs should have them. And all these VPNs do have it, and I'll get to it. Now with NordVPN, if let's say you don't like the premium pricing of ExpressVPN, you can go with NordVPN, which is a little bit cheaper. You've got over 5,400 servers, but 34 less countries than ExpressVPN. So it's 60 countries, but you do get, obviously, it's a little bit cheaper. You do get specialty servers and some bonus features here and there, such as the ad blocker, the app kill switch, not just the kill switch, which will close selected apps when you disconnect from the VPN or the connection drops unexpectedly. You have the most powerful protocol in the industry, arguably the most powerful protocol, NordLynx, making NordVPN the fastest VPN in the business, arguably so. Split tunneling, which is also, the same as ExpressVPN split tunneling feature, and custom DNS for an easy way to change your DNS, and obfuscated servers if you'd like to try these out if you're in a censorship heavy country, only if your regular servers aren't working. Now, if you're looking for a VPN that's even cheaper and secures an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription, letting you share your account with as many people as you'd like, without really sacrificing much on security, privacy, or performance for that matter, and features, because you still get these specialty servers right here, such as multi-hop and static IP. You get the ad blocker, you get a kill switch, you get a handful of protocols, as well as split tunneling, which is called bypass right here. So it's the same feature as split tunneling, and a couple of features that'll help you if you're in a censorship-heavy country, such as rotating IP and no borders mode. No borders mode will help you bypass censorship firewalls, and rotating IP will keep rotating your IP address while your VPN location stays the same, helping you cover up your tracks. So no matter which VPN you're trying to get here, you will be able to get a Canadian IP address. And if you're trying to bypass geo restrictions for, streaming services or Canadian websites, you'll also be able to get to these websites with no problems at all. They're all very reliable VPNs. But if you're not satisfied with any of these VPNs for whatever reason, you do have a 30-day money-back guarantee with all these VPNs. They are all covered. All the plans are covered no matter which plan you go for. And they have 24/7 live chat support if you'd like to ask for the refund or if you have any other question about these VPNs. Again, links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel. Stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.